This letter A. What is the sound of this letter? A. A for ant, for apple, for Amira, for Ahmed, for Adam. Adham. Great job. What is this letter? B says B for bowl, banana, bag, bed, bird, baby. C says for car. What else? Cat, cucumber, carrot. What is this letter? D. Letter D. Letter D likes making for duck. What is the sound of this duck? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. What is the color of this duck? What is the color of this duck? Red or yellow or black?
Yellow.
Yellow, yes. And this duck, how many eyes?
Two.
How many eyes?
Two.
2 eyes. Okay.
One.
And door. So point to the window. Point to the door. Point to the ceiling. Point to the ceiling. Ceiling.
Window, door.
Floor. Window, door, ceiling, floor. Window, door, ceiling, floor. Window, door,
Ceiling, floor.
window, door, ceiling, floor. Window, door, ceiling, floor. Window, door, ceiling, floor. Okay, what is the letter which can't hear? So this is letter E, and E says eh. E says E says for elbow. What else? Egg. Elephant. Elbow. Envelope.
It's not X.
No. Axe with A. Elbow. E. What is the letter which makes the sound of F? F says fish. A farmer uses an axe. A farmer uses an axe. Frog. Fork. This is a fork. Elephant. PH, not F. What is the sound of G? G. I can say Habiba is a beauty girl. Girl. Guitar.
Guitar.
And grapes. Z. Grapes. What is the letter which makes the sound?
Hand.
Okay, what is this letter?
Hand.
What is this letter?
Hand.
H. What is this letter? What is the name of this letter? H. What is the sound of this letter? For hand. Hot. Hair. And hot dog. Great work. Letter I says igloo. Insect. What else? Iguana. Letter J says jelly. Jog. Jar. Yes. What is the name of this letter? K says for kite. King. Key. Letter L says lemon. Line. Lollipop. Okay. Letter M says for mommy. For monkey.
Money.
And for milk. For milk. Okay. Letter N says for no. For no. For
No.
for nest. Nest. And nails. Nails. ضوافر الإيد دي اسمها ايه؟ nails. Oh says octopus. 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 عايزة أقول لك اقفل المروحة. Turn off. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. Orange. Okay.